What is going on YouTube? It's Rondemic and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So as you know on the channel, I find you high paying remote job opportunities and side hustles. So as I find them on the internet, I post them to let you guys know what's available out there that you could take advantage of so you could make some money. So you may have not seen me for a while and things like that, but I am back and we'll be providing you guys with content. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So what do we have today? So we have here a opportunity from this company called Brand New. So what they're looking for is a content creator. So yes, a content creator. So I know a lot of you guys out there, you may already have like your YouTube channels, huge social media followings and stuff like that. So this may be the perfect opportunity for you, especially if you make videos and things of that nature, to get a head start going with this company. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it. So like I said, the company is Brand New, and that's the name of the company, B-R-A-N-D and K-N-E-W, Brand New. So like I said, they're looking for a content creator, and they're looking for the content creator in the United States, and it's a freelance position and it's a remote job opportunity. So it says we're looking for enthusiastic and creative freelance content creators to join our team to develop engaging user-generated content. So as a freelance content creator, you'll work closely with both our organic and paid marketing teams to produce authentic and high-quality engaging content. So this is a remote position that offers flexible hours and opportunity to collaborate with a diverse set of brand partners. All right, so the responsibilities. So what you'll do is you'll develop original, engaging, and on-brand user-generated content for both organic and paid efforts across social. So you'll collaborate with the marketing team to understand the target audience and content objectives. So we also follow brand guidelines to ensure consistency in voice, style, and messaging across content. And you'll also use creative storytelling techniques to showcase products and or services, an opportunity to participate in brainstorming sessions and or review sessions, and you'll manage deadlines and deliver content in a timely manner. So that's just basically a list of the responsibilities that you'll be tasked with as a content creator. And like I said, this is a perfect fit for you guys if you already make videos, you have a good social media following, and you basically have a grasp of how the content creation works in the social media world and stuff like that. That will be a good fit for you. All right, so let's go on down to see where it says requirements. So as far as requirements, they are looking for proven experience as a content creator, strong portfolio showcasing your ability to create high quality and engaging content, excellent written and verbal communication skills, ability to work independently and manage multiple projects simultaneously, a strong understanding of social media platforms and their respective audiences, creative mindset with a passion for storytelling and visual content, and ability to adapt brand guidelines and feedback, strong organizational and time management skills, access to necessary equipment, exemplary camera, smartphone editing software, and flexibility to adapt to changing project requirements and deadlines. So those are some of the requirements that they look for in a content creator. So they want you to have proven experience as a content creator, and also the strong portfolio to showcase your ability to create high quality engaging content. So like I said before, if you're already a content creator, if you're already in this field, that you're you're making videos on a daily basis or weekly basis, whatever your time frame is for making videos, you could definitely be a strong candidate for this. They just want someone with experience. So if you already have that down pat and you know what you're doing and you create high engaging high quality content and things of that nature, you'll definitely be somewhat a good fit for this position. All right, so let's go down to the part that you all want to know about. So compensation. So project based rates will vary upon quantity of videos plus experience plus level of creative freedom. So expect ranges to be in the ballpark of $150 to $500 per video. So that's, you heard it right guys, $150 to $500 per video. So that's what you can be making as far as being a content creator for the company Brand New. So you're looking at $150 to $500 per video. So I'm not sure exactly how frequently or how many videos they want you to create, but guys, that money definitely adds up, especially if you're doing a lot of videos for the month or for the week. That $150 to $500 per video would definitely be a good chunk of change for you guys. As far as making a good online income. So it says $150 to $500 one time. So project base rates will vary upon quantity of videos plus experience plus level of creative freedom, like I said before. So guys, this is definitely a good opportunity for you, especially a lot of you guys in the content creation space. You have experience making videos, you produce high quality content, things of that nature. I say definitely go ahead and give this a shot, so you never know where it might take you. And yeah, definitely, like I said, it's definitely a good opportunity, especially if you create content already. This will just add, this would probably be just a more additional on top of what you're doing. So that's probably another income in addition to if you're making money already on your videos of social media. This will just be another added source of income for you. So like I said, guys, the company is brand new and they're looking for a content creator, and it's a freelance position. And as far as I'm seeing, it's based in the United States. So I'm not sure if they're open to other countries. If you apply, you'll be accepted. But as far as I'm seeing here, it says United States, or basically freelance and remote. So you probably have the opportunity, chance of setting your own hours and things like that. So it's a freelance position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and apply to it. If that's definitely something that's up your alley. So again, like I said, content creator with brand new, it's definitely a good opportunity that you guys should go ahead and check out and see where it will take you. So definitely thank you for tuning in here with the channel Rondemic. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.